If you have one of those Xiaomi phones in which they have the Chinese ROM and it doesn't have the original Google services here, there's a setting which will allow you to prevent ad tracking. So basically, if you're browsing on a website or you're looking for something on an app or something like that, eventually they will start to suggest or show you ads that are relevant to recent searches that you have done on your phone. So if you don't want it to show you ads that you have been searching on and your Xiaomi phone is a Chinese ROM model, here's where you can go to prevent that from happening. Just keep in mind that this doesn't stop ads from appearing on apps that you're currently using or on your phone in general, but it just stops relevant ads. All right, so go into the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle. And again, this is a Xiaomi phone that does not have the Google services or Play Store. All right, so what you want to do now to find this feature is use the search settings here and type in the words ads services. So that's what you're going to look for. All right, it's also found under privacy and security, but to find it and make sure that's where you're going to, type in that and you'll see it right here. So once you tap here one time, you're going to see this option here. And again, when you have this turned on, this is going to show you ads that are relevant to you on apps. So if you are on another app and you're just searching for something else, or you're just using the app and suddenly there's these ads that appear, it will show you something that you might have been searching for. So maybe you might have been searching for watches and then suddenly you start seeing watches in ads and different sites that you've been to appearing as those ads, right? So if you don't want that kind of tracking, you want it to just show you random stuff and not what you've been searching for, turn this off. And of course, again, it will still show you ads, but it's just going to be ads that are not relevant to any searches that you have done previously. And of course, as always, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.